Take your cooking to the next level with this Slide and Hide built-in electric single oven from Neff, which has state-of-the-art technology and fantastic features. It has an A energy rating and a large 71-litre capacity, meaning there's plenty of flexibility if you're cooking for a large household or like to host dinner parties. It's also a multifunctional oven with great functions, including a bread baking and hot air grilling setting. And it can either be built into your kitchen at eye level or under a worktop, so there's no need to measure as it will fit in a standard oven housing unit. Neff's CircoTherm technology creates an even temperature from the top to the bottom of the main oven. A fan at the back of the cavity quickly spreads hot air, meaning your food always cooks evenly no matter which shelf it's on. And because the heat is always moving, the flavours from different foods won't mix together. Now you can bake a fresh loaf of bread while cooking your evening meal and still get delicious results every time. The Pyrolytic setting is an amazing self-cleaning function that does the hard work for you. Once selected, it burns away grease and food splatters by raising the temperature to around 500 degrees. The door locks for your safety, and once the program is complete, any ash that's left behind can be easily wiped away. If you're a budding chef looking for an electric built-in single oven with fantastic features, this Slide and Hide model from Neff is the perfect choice.